If you were diagnosed with IBS while you were on birth control or after you stopped birth control, there definitely can be a connection there. Birth control impacts our gut lining, which means it can cause leaky gut. I've talked about leaky gut before, but if you're not familiar with it, let's dive in. Here we have our normal gut lining where you see all the cells are super close together. This is supposed to help keep bacteria out, other toxins, food particles, and keep our body safe from the outside world. And down below we have leaky gut, where you see that the cells have separated from each other, they're not being held together, and there's things leaking through, and that could be bacteria, toxins, and just food particles. This puts your immune system in overdrive and also causes symptoms like bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea. You also can develop more food sensitivities and have conditions like acne and eczema as well. Birth control disrupts the normal flora of your gut, which allows for growth of more harmful bacteria and yeast, bringing on more symptoms that we see in IBS. And when the bacteria is not in balance, this causes more inflammation and it ruins the gut integrity, causing leaky gut. And this is why I find it so important to make sure that you're addressing your gut health while also looking at your hormones and helping to balance that as well. If you're looking to work with somebody who helps heal your hormones and your gut naturally, head over to the link in my bio to apply to work with me. I accept patients who are online and in person.